Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Carol. How are you today? Okay, I'm good. Please get your book, Math in Action 4A. Please get your book, Math in Action 4A, and please open your book on page 94. Please open your book on page 94. Okay, are you ready? Let's begin. So our topic for today is about multiplying 10 by numbers with more than 2 digits. Again, our topic for today is about multiplying 10 by numbers with more than 2 digits. Example number 1, Auntie Mary puts her photographs in the boxes of 196 photos each. She has 100 boxes filled She has 100 boxes filled. How many photographs does she have? Number sentence 10 times 196 is equals to blank. Okay, so again, Auntie Mary puts her photographs in the boxes of 196 photos each. She has 10 boxes filled. How many photographs does she have? Number sentence 10 times 196. 10 times 196 represents the total of 10 sets of 196. Okay, so here, 10 sets of 196 can be found by calculating 10 sets of 100. 10 times 100 is equals to 1000. Add to 10 sets of 90. 10 times 90 is equals to 900. Add to 10 sets of 6. 10 times 6 is equals to 60. Therefore, 10 sets of 196 equals 1000 plus 900. 1000 plus 900 is equals to 1900 plus 60 is equals to 1960. This can be shown in the form of long and short multiplications as follows. Okay, so long form. This is the long form. 196 times 10. 10 times 6 is equals to 60. 10 times 90 is equals to 900. 10 times 100 is equals to 1960. Short form, 196 times 10 is equals to 1960. Okay, the total number of photos that Auntie Mary has is 1960. 1/10 times 6 equals 6/10. 1/10 times 6 equals 6/10. Write 6 in the tens place. Okay, so tens place. Write 0 in the ones place. Write 0 in the ones place. 1/10 times 9/10 equals to 900. Write 9 in the hundred place. So here, write 9 in the hundred place. 1/10 times 100 equals 1000. Write 1 in the thousand place. Okay, so here, 1 place. 1/10 times 100. 100 is equals to 1000. Right? Write 1 in the thousand place. So here, note, the product equals 1 times 196 with a 0 added. 1 times 196 with a 0 added here. Okay, understand? Okay, now please answer your book on page 94. Okay, so example, page 94, number 1. Find each product. 78 times 10 is equals to 0, right? And 0, and then 1. 1 times 8 is equals to 8. 1 times 7 is equals to 7. So the answer is 780. Okay, understand? Okay, now please answer your book. And now please open your book on page 95. Now please open your book on page 95. Okay, on page 95, multiplying 2-digit numbers multiplying two-digit numbers by numbers with more than 2 digits. Okay, again, multiplying two-digit numbers by numbers with more than 2 digits. Okay, example. A restaurant bought 12 cushion covers at 256 baht each. How much is the total cost of the cushion covers? Number sentence. 12 times 256 equals, okay, so example here, 12 times 256 represents the total of 12 sets of 256. 12 sets of 256 can be found by adding 10 sets of 256 to 2 sets of 256. 10 sets 10 sets of 256 can be found by calculating 10 sets of 200. 10 times 200 is equals to 2000. Add to 10 sets of 50. 10 times 50 is equals to 500. Add to 10 sets of 6. 10 times 6 is equals to 60. Therefore, 10 sets of 256 equals 2000 plus 500 is 2500 plus 60 is equals to 2560. Okay, 2 sets of 256 can be found by calculating 2 sets of 200. 2 times 200 is equals to 400. Add to 2 sets of 50. 2 times 50 is equals to 100. Add to 2 sets of 6. 2 times 6 is equals to 12. Therefore, 2 sets of 256 equals 400 plus 100 is equals to 500 plus 12 is equals to 512. 12 sets of 256 equals 12 sets of 256 is equals to 2560 plus 512. Therefore, 12 times 256 is equals to 3072. This can be shown in the here. This can be shown in the form this can be shown in the form of long and short multiplications as follows. Long form. So this is the long form, okay? (256 times 12). 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 50 is equals to 100. 2 times 200 is equals to 400. 10 times 6 is equals to 600. 10 times 50 is equals to 500. And 10 times 200 is equals to 2000. Okay, now let's add. The answer is, the total of this product is equals to 3072. Okay, so that's the long form. Okay, now let's move on to short form. 256 times 12. Okay, so 2 times 256 is equals to 512. 10 times 256 is equals to 2560. And then let's add this. Okay, let's add this product. Okay, 2 plus 0 equals to 2. 1 plus 6 is equals to 7. 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. Carry 1 to 2. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So the answer is 3072. The total cost of the cushion covers is 3072. Okay, understand? Okay, good job. Now please open your book on page 96. Okay, now please open your book on page 96. Sorry. Okay, so 12 times 256 equals 3072. The steps in calculation using short multiplications method are as follows. Okay, 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 6 equals 12. Write 2 in the ones place. Write 2 in the ones place. Carry 1 over to the tens. Carry 1 over to the tens. Tens place. 2 times 5 tens equals 10. 2 times 5 tens is equals 10. Carry over. Add 1. Add 1 tens, carry over to 10 tens. Okay, so here. Okay, 2 times 5 is equals to 10. 2 times 5 is equals to 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. Carry over to 2. Okay, there you are. Write 1 in the tens place, carry 1 over to the hundred place. Write once, and then carry over to 200 place. Okay, 2 times 2, 2 times 2 hundreds equals 4 hundreds. Add 1 hundreds, carry over. Add 1 hundreds, carry over to 400 equals 5. Okay, so 2 times 2 is equals to 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. So it's 512. Okay, write 5 in the hundreds place here. Write 0 in the ones place. Write 0 in the ones place here. Okay, now 1 tens times 6 is equals to 1 times 6 is equals to 6. Write 6 in the tens place. 1 tens times 5 tens is equals to 5. 1 times 5 is equals to 5. Write 5 in the hundred place. Hundred place. 1 tens times 2 hundreds equals 2,000. Write 2 in the thousands place. Okay, so here. 1 times 2 here. Write the 2 in the thousands place. So there. There you are. Okay, sum the product from both digits of the multiplier. Sum the product from both digits of the multiplier. Okay, so let's sum this. 2 plus 0 is equals to 2. 1 plus 6 is equals to 7. 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. Carry 1 to 2. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Okay, so the answer is 3072. 3072. Okay, another example. Example 36 times 4127. 6 times 4127 is equals to 24,762. Okay, so 6 times 4,127 is equals to 24,762, and 30 times 4,127 is equals to 123,810. And now let's add this product. Okay, so 2 plus 0 is equals to 2. 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. 7 plus 8 is equals to 15. Carry 1 to 4. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7, plus 1 is equals to 8. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, 1. And then bring down 1. The answer is 148,572. You may show carryovers, but it is not necessary. Okay, so 6 times 7 equals 42. Write 2 in the ones place. Carry over. Okay, so 42, carry over 2. Okay, so that's it. Do you understand? Okay, now please open your book on page 97. Please answer your book on page 97. Okay, 1 to 12. So here, example number 1. 42 times 21 is equals to 2 times 1 times 2 is equals to 2. 1 times 4 is equals to 4. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. 2 times 4 is equals to 8. And then let's add this. 2 plus 0 is equals to 2. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8, and then bring down 8. The answer is 882. Okay, now please answer your book. Okay? Okay, so that's it for today. Please answer your book on page 97 and 94. 94 and 97. Okay, so that's it for today. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Or you can also ask Teacher May. Okay, so that's it for today. Goodbye, everyone.